Now, aesthetically, and they claim a real amazing stereo sound.
This is the vocals from
Hey everyone, what's up? This is Gilser Vergara with Duma Life. If you are new to this channel, it is nice to meet you, and I'm going through puberty because my voice just cracked. But this is a channel for entrepreneurs who are also into automotive stuff, health and wealth, and tech reviews. Today is a tech review. So I reviewed the Tecno Buds 2 in the previous video, and I wanted to review the Tecno Hipods H2. So these should be a bit better quality. It should be a bit better quality and should offer a few more features. So off the bat, before I open up this box, the Hipods H2 offers 6 hours of playtime and 30 hours of battery life. That's more than enough for me. And they claim a real amazing stereo sound. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this thing up and see what it's all about. And I didn't say in the last video, if you have time, please support our sponsor. Their details are right here. Support them, shout them out. They do make good products. Okay, so obviously I'm stupid because I didn't take the sticker off. I'm gonna finish up this video, have my nice warm cup of tea before I go to sleep. What do we get in the box? Okay, so what comes in here? User manual, like all things do. User manual. If this thing ever focuses, you get the user manual. Let's throw that over there for now. You get a charger and extra earpieces. I don't want to take them out at the moment. Very similar to the size of a AirPod Pros. As you can see, it's not as wide. There's my AirPod Pros. Right, not as wide, but the AirPod Pro is not as I guess tall. Right there. Now, aesthetically, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I am pleasantly surprised by this particular thing right here. Because the Buds 2 had this protective film over it to charge, I want to know if it has the same thing here. Yes, it does. So I guess this is a thing right here where, I don't know if you see that there. This, I guess all Tecnos have a protective film on there that you can take off when before engaging it. Because I found that if you take the protective film off and then put it in, it engages it and starts the process of it trying to sync. Very light but good quality. You see magnetic. Let's see fitment. Now I don't know if these are the smallest ones or the biggest ones. I don't want this stuff falling in my ear. Okay, I kind of see what they're doing here to get that real good sound. Seems as if it's getting closer to your ear canal. It gets super close to your ear canal. Well, this left ear is always going to be a problem here. For me, it is. Even with the AirPod Pros, the right ear is always the good one. The left ear is always the weird one. So this is the look of the Hipods H2 right here. Right there. Right? Tell me what you guys think about it. Comment down below what you guys think about it. Looks pretty cool to me. Let's see how sound quality. Is it coming off? No? Okay, cool. Before we do this, I wanna, how your body's not the same on all sides, symmetrical, that's the word. Okay. Yes. That seems a bit better. It's right in my ear canal now. I can see before I even hook this up and connect it, I can see why, if the sound is very good, because it's literally right on my ear. It feels like it's right on my ear canal. Without further ado, let's connect this sucker. That's how I did it on the other one. The look of it is pretty nice. They're connected right now. Comment down below. So I have them on right now. This left ear is always giving me issues. It's not like it never fits properly. Let me put the medium one on. Comment down below if one of your ears never fits right. Compared to the Tecno Buds 2, these Hipods H2 are way better. Off top, like they sound better. They do carry more bass with them. They're definitely a big difference from the Tecno Buds 2. So let's get on to how it sounds.
So this is the vocals from the Hipod H2. Tell me what you guys think about it. Clarity. Does it sound a bit robotic? Does it sound like a tin can? I don't know. Comment down below what you guys feel, because this is pretty much, if you do buy these, this is what it's going to sound like when you actually are talking to somebody. And you know, in today's world, if you can't really concisely talk about what you want to talk about over the phone, especially if you have these, there's going to be a problem. Communication is everything now. So tell me what you guys think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E. Should have went to E. But yeah, so yeah, tell me what you guys think.
So that is my review on the Tecno Hipod H2. So once again, these are the Hipod H2s, and you can go ahead and pick them up. I do believe they are better than the Tecno Buds 2. They're not noise canceling. They do have that feel of noise canceling, because if the rubber pieces go right by your ear canal, it does have that hollow sound, you know, where it just goes like a white noise thing. It is still a great piece of equipment that might benefit you in your daily life, and it is an alternative to other more expensive brands that might just sound the same. So one last thing, guys, let me know, comment down below if you guys want to see a shootout of all the earbuds that I have, for you to decide which is the best one. These, I'm gonna do like a special video where it has certain price points. I believe these are sub 30 right here. Like these are sub 30 right here. I know this was like 20 bucks right here. These AirPod dupes right here. I have my JLabs executive ones that we can review as well. And of course I have my AirPod Pros. So thank you for your time. This is Gilser Vergara once again with Duma Life, and I'll see you guys soon. And so take care, God bless, bye.